How to redeem the Disney's gift card. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Disney gift cards are one of the favorite ways to prepay for Walt Disney World vacation expenses, whether you purchase them online or at a store like Target or Costco. The functionality is same. First of all, you can visit the Disney gift card section or the website to check for your balance and different cards available. The first option that way you can use or redeem your gift card is just like a credit card at any restaurant or retail location in the Walt Disney World. When it's time to pay for the snack, meal, or anything, you can present a Disney gift card and you'll prompt to tap it, swipe it, or hand it to the cast member. This is one way to do so. Likewise, once redeemed, you can look out for your remaining gift balance at the bottom of the printed receipt. The next option is using your Magic Band, My Magic Mobile, or Key to the World card to charge purchases to your resort. Finally, you can also utilize and redeem it by typing the gift card numbers into Notes app on your mobile device. Then, before finalizing a food, beverage, or merchandise purchase, you can copy paste the gift card number into the payment screen and you're good to go. So, that is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.